So hi there guys, and welcome to another KSFmotors test ride. This time I'm on one of the ones I got to, I didn't get to take out the other week. The Kawasaki Ninja 636. Well, at least that's what they told me it is, although having said that, I think it's a ZX6R. But never mind. Regardless of what it is, it's a lot better than the bike I have. I've set bloody mirrors wrong again though. I can see fine out of the left one. Kind of. They're really far forward. That's better. I have to sort out that right one though in a second. Pain in the ass. God, this is really comfortable. This is a really comfortable bike. Down a bit. Down a bit more. Better. So I'm not going to focus on talking today, I'm just going to frickin' ride the bike and try and get used to it. This junction sucks, man. How many gears has he got? Crazy. I really need to learn to trust sports bikes because they're big enough and powerful enough to get me around the corners, unlike my little one. So the route I'm going to take is M27 up to the A3M and then on to J&S motorcycles from there, motorcycle accessories rather. Just have fun for an hour and 20 minutes. At least the time on this one's right as well. Oh, 50, come on, why? It is so much more comfortable going up the motorway like this than on a 125 struggling to do 70. I'm so cool now, like, not as in awesome cool, I mean like, it's a nice hot day and it's kind of nice to not have to be really freaking hot at all times whilst riding the bike. It's kind of blustery though. It was a blustery day in the Hundred Cold. I must apologise if I'm shouting because of the wind noise, but I can barely hear anything other than that. Hopefully my mouthpiece won't fall out of the bottom of the freaking helmet again. This Ninja doesn't seem to want to rest properly at 50 like the other bikes I've test ridden. They all seem to have a certain point on the accelerator where they're quite comfortable and they're smooth, and this one doesn't seem to want to stay at 50 at all. So either 49 or 51. What do you want to pick? Which one should I do? God, this is so awesome. Well, straight away, it's not the most uncomfortable bike. I'm still going to stand by my, my idea of the fact that the R6 is the most uncomfortable bike out of all the ones I've test ridden. So yeah, just coming from Basildon, to going up to Waterlooville, J&S motorcycles. J&S motorcycle. This is the same route until a point that I took for the GSX-R 750 as well. Indicate between the third and second marker. That's what you should do, kids. Whether you're in the car, on the bike, or in a plane, always indicate between the second and third marker. And that, for some reason, is a habit that's stuck. I have no idea why. Why are they just sitting there at the red light? Good lord. What am I saying? I'm an idiot. That, my friend, is what you call an idiot. Not clutch to start. I'm quite surprised about that. I'll close my visor now, just to make sure. Oh, I sound all muffled now. Very nice acceleration in third. I haven't done a second gear test in all of the bikes, except for the Ninja 300. I've done a third gear test, the simple reason being that I'm not experienced enough to know how the bike is going to react if I just jar it on in second gear. And I'd really rather not get thrown off the back of a bike that's going to cost me $1,000 if it goes down, so when I could barely afford to buy my own bike as it is. Oh yeah, I'm already gear 6, never mind. And not on a slip road yet. I can't undertake. I can't undertake. Now I'm on a slip road. See, that's something that I don't think most people even realise. I may not even be right about that. I could be wrong. But if I'm not, it means I'm a badass. And it is 2:10. Really? Already? Holy crap. Means I'm not going to have very long. I'm only going to have about 20 minutes, but if these guys aren't intending to take the motorway back, then... well, in fact they can't, if Callum's with them. One of our friends is now on a CBF 125 actually. He's got a 12 plate one. It's very nice. I rode around the block, it's really nice. And I was actually really surprised to see how different it was to mine. But then again, mine's a 2010 and it's a bit clunky. Not as fun as this bike. Honestly, I wasn't expecting to like the Ninja so much. This is really, really nice to ride. In general, it's really, really nice. I do like it, I must admit. Wasn't expecting to. But that just makes it all the better if my girlfriend decides to get the Ninja 300 or the 250. It will just be that much more pleasant to ride because of the fact that I've ridden its big brother. We are talking about a bike, I'm not talking about riding someone's big brother. This is the thing about riding a bike that isn't yours, folks. If you haven't test ridden anything before, be prepared to be overly careful. Ooh, nice white and black RS, that's very nice. Be prepared to be overly careful about everything and be very clunky and jerky and weird with it, because it's just not going to be, it's not going to go smoothly. Until you've been riding a bike for a month, nothing's going to go smoothly. Unless you're a freaking wizard, in which case you probably wouldn't be on a bike actually, so never mind. Cow Plain! Me and my brother and my dad all work for FedEx, and this is my dad's current route. This is my dad's area. If you need to get somewhere in Waterlooville, ask my dad. He knows it. Except for maybe 1 or 2 places, in which case he'll go, find it yourself! And you have reached your destination. Hey, oops. Can it, old man? Hey! Hey? Sorry, I couldn't hear you over the sound of how awesome this bike is.
Fuck you, you know how much I want this bike.
I'm on the road again. So what do I think about this bike? I think this bike is very nice. It's quite comfortable. It doesn't hurt my hands. Obviously I'm straining a little bit because of the inexperience of big bikes. Yeah, but all in all, a very nice bike. It's not quite as nice as the GSX-R. Son of a bitch. What are you doing, mate? You want to get in your own lane? You're shaking your head at me? Oh shit. And there you have it, folks. That's a classic example of the reason why you do a shoulder check. That bump just scared the crap out of me. I hit a bump and thought, ah, wheelie! But it wasn't a wheelie, folks. It's just me being a pansy sissy girl. So, in conclusion, I'm now going to tell you what I think about this bike. And it is that if I wasn't so enthralled by the look of the GSX-R, that this has got to be easily the second favourite out of the entire lot that I've test ridden. Oh, bumpy road. This is easily my favourite after the Gixxer. Having said that, the Gixxer was a 750, so it won't be until I actually get on to the GSX-R 600 that I'm actually buying that I know exactly how 600 version feels. But yeah, this is really nice. Now I'm proof that a 600 and a bit cc sport bike can get from Waterlooville, which is one side of Hampshire, to Southampton, which is borderline the other, in 25 minutes. Well, 20 minutes. I didn't even leave Waterlooville until freaking like 25 to, because I had to go and turn around. 20 minutes to get back here. It's not too bad. I have to do a couple of photos and then that's it. All done. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you now probably when I've got my new bike, because I won't be videoing much again. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Nice. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video, guys. Really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please comment, like and subscribe for more frequently regular content. By doing this, you'll also be supporting my channel, and please click the links on screen now to check out and subscribe to my other channels. Thanks a lot.